Today, we're diving deep into the world of castor oil, a versatile natural remedy that's been making waves. You've probably heard about its amazing benefits for hair growth, skincare, and even digestion. But before you start slathering this liquid gold everywhere, there are some crucial considerations and potential drawbacks you need to know. Buckle up because we're about to reveal the untold story of castor oil. The origin of castor oil. Picture this, a mysterious oil derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant. It's hailed as a wonder product, promising to transform your hair into luscious locks, your skin into a radiant canvas, and even tackle digestive woes. Now, let's take a closer look at the source of this enchanting elixir. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. But here's where it gets interesting, those seeds contain a hidden danger, a toxic compound called ricin. Yes, you heard that right, ricin, a toxin. But don't worry. There's a fascinating process that ensures your castor oil is pure and safe to use. Extracting castor oil involves a careful dance of science and precision. Skilled hands must delicately remove the ricin, leaving behind the beneficial essence of castor oil. So, while this oil may come from a potentially dangerous source, it's perfectly safe for you to use. Beauty benefits and challenges. Now, let's talk beauty. You've got your bottle of castor oil, ready to unlock its secrets for healthier hair and skin. But here's the catch, castor oil's thick and sticky texture can sometimes wreak havoc, especially on sensitive skin. It's a double-edged sword. For those with delicate skin, this thick consistency could lead to irritation. So, it's essential to know your skin type and approach with caution. By understanding the potential pitfalls, you can make informed choices and avoid any unwanted reactions. But hold on tight because we're about to dive into an unexpected twist in the castor oil saga. Castor oil as a laxative. Did you know castor oil is a renowned natural laxative? That's right. It has been a go-to solution for those seeking relief from digestive troubles. Its secret weapon? Ricinoleic acid, a powerful component found in abundance within this magical oil. However, when it comes to using castor oil as a laxative, there's a fine line between relief and potential side effects. Ingesting large quantities of castor oil or using it without proper guidance can trigger some uncomfortable side effects. From cramping and diarrhea to imbalances in essential electrolytes, the potential risks are real. That's why it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil as a laxative. They can guide you on the right dosage and help you avoid any unwanted twists and turns on your digestive journey. Castor oil and pregnancy. Now, attention to all expecting and nursing parents. We're about to uncover a fascinating chapter in the castor oil chronicles that directly affects you and your little ones. Castor oil has a historical reputation as a labor-inducing powerhouse. Yes, you heard that right, it's been traditionally used to help get those contractions going when the time is near. But here's the crucial twist, if you're pregnant or nursing, it's vital to tread carefully when it comes to castor oil. When it comes to inducing labor, castor oil should only be used under medical supervision. Your healthcare provider can guide you to ensure the safety of both you and your baby. Don't take any chances, your well-being and your baby's well-being are of utmost importance. Storage tips for castor oil. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about how to keep your precious bottle of castor oil in tip-top condition. Proper storage is key to ensuring its freshness and effectiveness. Castor oil boasts a relatively long shelf life, but if it's not stored properly, it can spoil or become rancid. So, what can you do? First, find a cool, dark place for your bottle of castor oil. It doesn't like direct sunlight, so give it a cozy spot away from those harsh rays. And here's the key, seal it tightly. Exposure to air and light can accelerate spoilage. So, keep that cap on tight to preserve its quality. And here's a bonus tip, if you're not planning to use your castor oil for an extended period, consider refrigeration. This can help prolong its shelf life even further. By following these simple storage rules, you'll ensure that your castor oil stays fresh and ready to unleash its magical powers whenever you need them. But we're not done yet, There's another surprising aspect of castor oil that often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Caution, castor oil stains. Castor oil has a distinctive yellowish hue that gives it its unique character. But this vibrant color comes with a cautionary tale. Have you ever experienced the horror of accidentally staining your favorite fabric or surface? Well, with castor oil, that's a real possibility. Its yellow color has a knack for leaving its mark on certain fabrics and surfaces. But don't worry, we've got your back. When applying castor oil topically, consider using old towels or clothes that you don't mind getting a little colorful. And if you're feeling fashion-forward, opt for dark-colored clothing to minimize the risk of staining. By taking these precautions, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of castor oil without any surprise color transformations. Listen to your body. Now, here's the truth, just like our fingerprints, our bodies are beautifully unique. And that means our experiences with castor oil can vary. What works like magic for one person may not have the same effect on another. So, as you embark on this journey, I urge you to listen closely to your body. Pay attention to how it responds to castor oil, and don't be afraid to take action if you encounter any adverse reactions or discomfort. Remember, you are the author of your own well-being. If something doesn't feel right, trust your intuition and discontinue the use of castor oil. It's all about finding what works best for you. Embrace the journey and honor your body's unique wisdom. Consult the experts. In the spirit of transparency, we must acknowledge that castor oil, like any other substance, comes with its own set of considerations. That's why I encourage you to consult a healthcare professional if you have any doubts or concerns. They possess the expertise to guide you, taking into account your unique circumstances and ensuring your well-being. But don't stop there, become a researcher in your own right. Dive into the vast sea of information, explore different perspectives, and make informed decisions based on your personal circumstances. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to castor oil, it's essential to arm ourselves with awareness and understanding. Still curious about castor oil? Check out the video on screen now for more insights into what castor oil can do for you.